Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to paint a nice sunset with several colors and also some layers of mountains. Painting skies with watercolor can be a challenge, especially if you want to make sunset skies with more than one color. It's a really good idea to practice how to blend different colors and how to make cloudy shapes. One website that I really recommend you guys to check out for watercolor classes is Skillshare. I always use Skillshare to find many classes about watercolors because they're broken down in smaller lessons and I feel like that makes it easier to follow and paint along. I found some really useful classes about watercolor skies and clouds that I think would really help you guys if you're a beginner or if you want to learn more about them. This particular class was the most helpful. It's called Watercolor Skies. Each lesson covers how to paint a different type of sky, so I really like this one. To watch this class, you need to be a member, but you guys can use the link in my description to get 2 free months of Skillshare. Then you can watch this class and many other watercolor classes, so don't forget to check out the link in my description. Start off by sketching the landscape. I'm going to sketch 4 layers of mountains, then a forest, and then water in the front. Add water on the sky area. We'll be painting the sky with the wet on wet technique. To get this pink peachy-ish color, I mixed my orange with opera pink. Now I'll add more darker shades of this color by simply mixing less water and having more paint. Now paint a bit of the sky at the bottom with yellow. I felt like this color spread out too much, so while it was still not dried, I took a clean damp brush and picked up some color. We don't want the peach and purple to directly mix, so we're going to add a stroke of pink. This will make the color transition more smoothly. Now I will mix pink and cerulean blue with less water, so I have more of an intense shade of purple. Don't worry if some of the dots spread at the end of your strokes, just blend them into the sky. I painted the furthest mountain with a lot of water mixed with indigo so that the color becomes light. Now for the rest of the mountains, paint them darker as you come closer to the front. I'm going to take a clean damp square brush and add lines to give this mountain some texture. This is totally optional. Take the smallest or thinnest brush you have and just make little lines vertically. I felt like something was missing in the water, so I added an actual reflection of the big mountain. It's time to take the tape off. Make sure your painting is dried. Go slowly to avoid your paper from tearing. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you liked this tutorial and comment below what you want to see next.